ये what memories here.
This is one of the greatest days of my life.
Yeah,
Yes, absolutely.
ये फीलिंग के बारे में बताइए बिकॉज आर्टिस्ट फ्रॉम एवरी पॉसिबल स्ट्रीम ड्रीम ऑफ अ मोमेंट लाइक दिस.
Yes. It's the greatest moment of my life, yeah. I mean, I can't even put it into words. I'd always dreamed of this. I'd always dreamed of sort of winning a national award. And when you realize your dreams, तो वो बड़ा ही, I mean, एक brain fade जैसा moment हो जाता है.
बताते कैसे आपको? कॉल करके पहले बताते कि यू वन इट,
नहीं,
दे अनाउंस्ड देयर.
अनाउंसमेंट होती है जो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ब्रॉडकास्टिंग अनाउंस करती है और उसके 1-2 महीने बाद आई थिंक आपको पुरस्कार हैंड ओवर किया जाता है.
क्या फीलिंग थी?
आई वॉज इन कोलम्बिया दैट टाइम
Wow.
और आई थिंक 11:30 का फ़र्क है, 11:30 10:30 समथिंग लाइक दैट. आई वॉज इन बोगोता एंड तो यहाँ पे जब शाम को अनाउंसमेंट की थी तो वहाँ पे मेरी मिड मॉर्निंग थी एंड तो मैं उठ गया. फिर आई गॉट टू नो कि आई जस्ट वन द नेशनल अवार्ड एंड yeah, I was so excited. Then I was contacting my family, my agency, my managers, and we were all so elated, so happy.
Yeah, there was a photo of you with the Filmfare Award which you had uploaded on Instagram.
Yes,
About a year and a
a
half
year and a
ago.
half ago.
I remember having a lot of conversations with a lot of people about that particular photo.
My picture.
Yeah.
Oh,
It was for 12th fail only.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
It showcased decades of hard work. I think हर किसी को लगा कि वो 12th fail का character
Yes.
award जीत रहा है. Which in some ways is true also.
And it's such an India story, right? That like one of the reasons why the film did so well is because there is a Manoj Kumar Sharma inside everyone.
Yeah.
Everyone who wants to stand by the right thing, who wants to genuinely, sincerely, in a dignified manner, contribute towards their surroundings, uplift themselves and their families out of, dire situations.
Yeah, like it's a film I've recommended to a lot of foreigners who ask about Indian cinema. I point them towards 12th Fail.
Thank
Because
you.
people's viewpoint on Indian cinema is like masala cinema or they know Slumdog Millionaire. So I'm like, no, watch this. And it showcases Indian mentality more than anything.
Yeah, the Indian strength, the DNA which we've, collectively all of us as Indians have this tremendous fight within us.
मूवी से पहले जो मनोज सर के साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन हुई थी
जी.
उसके बारे में बताइए. व्हाट डिड यू ट्राई डाउनलोडिंग?
See, as I said, the film is adapted from a book. Then we had the screenplay, and I try reading between the lines. I just wanted to know him, the kind of person he is, what's his worldview, वो रोज़मर्रा के जीवन में क्या करते हैं, and of course जो कहानी थी हमारी उस वक्त वो क्या महसूस कर रहे थे. Not everything can be put into the script, not everything can be put into the book. What was life like then? What is life like now? What is his worldview? How does he see himself today in hindsight? So, spent a lot of time with him, his beautiful family, Shraddha ma'am also, because she's such an integral part of the movie also, 12th Fail, and his personal life. And their marriage is so beautiful. It's an example for, at least for me, how a good marriage should be, how dignified he is as a person, and how he conducts himself on and off the job. I think he's an inspiration to me. Yeah.
How should a good marriage be?
I think respect is paramount, right? Ups and downs तो होते ही हैं यार हर रिश्ते में.
Becoming a better husband with time?
My wife would disagree.
I fear that for myself also. Like the intention is to be the best possible husband.
Yeah, that's the goal.
Yeah, but you never know how time kind of unfolds that intention. I guess it's like having that intention every day. Waking
Yeah,
up with
every relationship is a constant work in progress. Every relationship. ये नहीं हो सकता कि दोस्तों की भी अगर हम बात करें तो दोस्ती निभानी भी पड़ती है, राइट? एंड वन लाइफ इज टू शॉर्ट to commit all the mistakes yourself.
You know, I hear a lot of older women, especially, using the term shadi nibhana. Beyond loyalty, I'm not even asking about loyalty. But what does shadi nibhana mean?
It's a constant work in progress, yaar. Matlab, of whatever I understand.
Pouring energy, love.
Energy, effort, I think in all possible ways that you can. और वो हर रिश्ते में है, right? It's not just अगर आप एक romantic relationship की बात कर रहे हो या companionship की बात कर रहे हो, it's not just about romance, it's not just about those candlelight dinners and I think it's so much of work, especially after marriage. I think building a life together, wanting to empower each other, trying to be your own best version firstly, and then empowering the other person to be their best version, and building a good life together, raising a good family together. और वो हर रिश्ते में नहीं है. I think it's in every relationship. If you and I are friends tomorrow, and if you call me home, you extend your warm invitation to me. एक बार नहीं आया, 2 बार नहीं आया, 3 बार नहीं आया, चौथी बार तुम नहीं बुलाओगे मुझे, right?
I just feel like when you're sharing a room with someone,
A life, not just a room, a life.
a life. Yeah, a life.
A life.
It's a different dynamic than even what you shared with your parents.
Absolutely.
So that's honestly what scares a lot of men about commitment. सुना है ये?
Of course. Maybe I was also commitment phobic at some point, maybe when I was 21, 22. But I always wanted to sort of, have a family, build a family. Yeah. So when I met the right person, I was not commitment phobic.
What else contributes to commitment phobia? Like, so I think
I don't know. Maybe freedom, right? There are so many, and to each their own. But no one's right, no one's wrong. There are so many friends of mine who are married, never wanted kids, don't have kids.
DINK.
What is
Double income, no kids.
Oh wow. Oh, okay. ये सब भी है.
हाँ.
तो हाँ, बहुत सारे लोग हैं.
Right?
या तो उनका वर्ल्ड व्यू वैसा है, तो गुड फॉर देम.